Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content strategy with BuzzSumo step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BuzzSumo website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to access the dashboard. Identify the type of content you want to analyze. Use the search bar to enter relevant keywords or topics. Explore the results to find high-performing content in your niche. Pay attention to metrics such as shares, likes, and backlinks. Analyze the content format that attracts the most engagement. Take note of popular titles and headlines for inspiration. Use the content research feature to dive deeper into trending topics. Review the influencers section to find key figures in your industry. Consider reaching out to these influencers for collaboration opportunities. Use the alerts feature to monitor new content related to your keywords. Set up alerts for competitor websites to stay informed about their activity. Evaluate the performance of your current content using BuzzSumo's analytics tools. Identify gaps or opportunities based on your findings. Revise your content calendar to incorporate trending topics and formats. Experiment with different types of content like infographics, videos, or podcasts. Monitor engagement metrics after publishing your upgraded content. Continue to iterate and refine your strategy based on performance data. Stay updated on industry trends with the insights gathered from BuzzSumo. By following these steps, you can enhance your content strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.